Have you ever noticed that even when life seems to be going well, there's still a quiet emptiness inside? You wake up, check your phone, scroll through endless images of perfect mornings and smiling faces, and somehow it all feels just a little out of reach. It's like the world keeps whispering that you need more success, more achievement, yet the more you chase it, the further peace seems to drift away. There's a silent epidemic that no one really talks about. The subtle ache of something missing. But what if the answer isn't about chasing anything at all? What if joy has been quietly waiting beneath all the noise inside you, like a soft light that's never gone out, only waiting to be seen again? This morning, we'll awaken that light together through stillness, awareness, and a simple practice of gratitude. So take a deep, gentle breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to let go of everything you think you need to fix. Because right here, in this moment, you already have enough. And that is where our journey begins. Now, let's take a moment to come home to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall in your chest. The quiet rhythm that's been carrying you every single moment, even when you forget to notice it. Go ahead, inhale slowly through your nose. And exhale through the mouth, letting your shoulders soften, your jaw unclench, your body begin to open. This is the beginning of a quiet transformation. Science now shows that when you focus on gratitude, you're not just thinking positive, you're actually rewiring your brain, training it to recognize peace and joy more easily. Gratitude is like sunlight breaking through the clouds. It doesn't change the landscape immediately, but it changes the way you see it. Every breath of appreciation creates space for calm, for clarity, for connection. You might even feel a subtle warmth spreading through your chest. That's your heart responding, awakening to its natural rhythm of thankfulness. And as you breathe, allow that warmth to expand. Let it fill your entire being quietly, gently, with life. Now, let's bring a gentle awareness into your body. Take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, feel your shoulders release any weight you might still be carrying from yesterday. Soften your face. Let your jaw unclench. Allow your hands to rest loosely where they are. You don't need to do anything right now. Just be. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, a rhythm that has quietly supported you every single day. As you breathe, silently whisper, "Thank you. Thank you, body, for carrying me through challenges and change. Thank you, heart, for beating faithfully, moment after moment. Thank you, breath, for the constant reminder that I'm alive and still becoming." Now imagine a soft golden light spreading from the center of your chest, warming your shoulders, flowing down your arms, and gently filling your entire being with peace. With each breath, that golden light expands, cleansing, balancing, and awakening quiet gratitude within you. In this stillness, realize your body isn't just a vessel, it's a sacred home for your joy, and every breath is a gift, a quiet affirmation that life is unfolding beautifully, right here, right now. There are days when gratitude doesn't come easily, when your mind feels heavy, and even the smallest joy feels distant. It's in these moments that your practice matters most. Take a slow breath. And remember, gratitude isn't about pretending everything is perfect. It's about finding light, even in the smallest corner of darkness. Maybe it's the warmth of your morning cup of tea, the sound of a bird outside your window, or simply the quiet reminder that you're still here, still growing. When challenges arise, you don't need to ignore the pain. Instead, hold it gently as you would a fragile truth. Breathe into it. And let that breath become your bridge from resistance to release. Each time you choose appreciation over frustration, you strengthen the quiet muscle of resilience. You remind your heart that peace doesn't depend on circumstances. It's something you cultivate moment by moment. Now, imagine your gratitude radiating outward, touching the people in your life, softening old wounds, restoring understanding, and deepening your confidence in the goodness of life itself. You are learning to see with new eyes, eyes that recognize that every moment, even the difficult ones, carries something worth cherishing. And with that awareness, your energy begins to shift naturally, opening toward confidence and the quiet joy of being fully alive. Now, let's anchor this gentle gratitude into something lasting. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your heart open wider, soft, steady, and confident. Each word that follows is a reminder of your inner strength and the quiet joy that lives within you. Repeat softly in your mind, I am grateful for this moment exactly as it is. I trust the timing of my life. My confidence flows from calm awareness. I am worthy of joy, peace, and purpose. Let these affirmations settle in, like sunlight warming your chest, gently expanding through every breath you take. Now, notice the card appearing on your screen, a simple reminder to carry with you today. Gratitude builds confidence. Confidence expands joy. Take another slow, steady breath. Feel the meaning behind those words, not just as thoughts, but as living energy within your body. With each inhale, you grow lighter. With each exhale, you feel stronger. Let this gratitude, this unshakable confidence, become the foundation of your day. You are centered, open, and ready to meet life with peace and purpose. Take one last gentle breath in. Feel the calm you've gathered, settling deep within your chest. And as you exhale, let your awareness return softly to the light of the room around you. The stillness within you is now the clarity of your new morning. When you're ready, open your eyes with gratitude and carry this quiet energy into your day. Take one more breath. Slow and full. You are calm. You are clear. You are awake. If this morning brought you peace, subscribe for tomorrow's meditation.